Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Last night I showed how to make this 3D pattern, and I was using the duplicate key, and then I started thinking there'd be a better way to do it using the step and repeat docker. Now I have made my diamond pretty big. I made it 3 inches by 1 inch. So we're gonna go to edit and step and repeat, and we're gonna turn these both on, the vertical and horizontal. And on this one, and if you look, I'm going to set an offset of 3 inches and an offset of no inch of that one. I have to click on an item for it to appear. I'm going to make 30 copies. So what it did, it made 30 diamond shapes across here. Let me move them out of the way of these other ones. Now you need to group them together, Control G, or group, and then change this to 1.5 and 0.5, because that's the half the thickness of our vertical and half the distance of our distance. And just hit apply, and you made all those. Now, I did not make them a 3D object yet, because it would slow it down for the video, but you could already have the 3D, and if you didn't watch parts 1 or 2. And as always, you can make them a 3D here, but this is such a large deal, we're actually gonna shrink it down a little bit more like the pistol grip would be. And let's look at it. And just remember, when you do this, you need to have it on black. So you do have to group it together to do what we're gonna do. Go to group or Control G. We're gonna make it a half a point and make it black. So I'm gonna right click black. Let's close this docker, go to go to effects and dockers, and do our from the center 0.001 with an inside fill and everything white. Now this is gonna take a little bit, so I'm gonna end the video with this, because it's going to take a while for this to do it. And I'm not going to waste your time to watch it, but it does work. I could have made them all, and please watch parts 2 and 3, or 1 and 2, because then it shows you how to put it into a bitmap so it'll actually engrave better. But trust me, it does do this. Well, you'll just see right there. Now it's bogging down my old computer, but it is doing it. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.